This is Series 1, Episode 57. I'm going to be talking about Hudbay Minerals Inc, ticker symbol HBM. I've already drawn in the technicals and I'll talk about those shortly, but I want to speak about the fundamentals side of this stock first of all. So Hudbay Minerals are a mining company and they focus on precious metals, but they have a particular focus on copper. This is where it gets interesting, because copper, in terms of the copper industry, is second place when compared to 215 industries. That's all 215 industries. Is second place is copper. And this particular stock, Hudbay Minerals, in terms of its strength compared to all US stocks, in terms of its movement in price, it's in the top 8%. So it's a high-ranking stock in a high-ranking industry. So very important fundamentals there. I can also see 189 institutional investors behind this one. I'm not too worried because that's not particularly high. I'd like to see 700, that'd be nice, but 189 institutional investors. There's no earnings out until May, so if I take this trade, I've got time before any news can affect the price. What I don't like about it is the price of the stock itself. It's a low price stock, so $8 is a low price stock. So any movement is going to be, if it drops, the movements are going to be significant swings. So for example, on Friday, you'll see that it dropped 6% in one day. So if you're going to take this trade, you need to be wary of the fact that it's going to be a volatile one, but it is a high-ranking stock in a high-ranking industry. So let me speak about the technicals now. I've drawn in a cup and handle here. If you don't know what a cup and handle is, then you're going to need to go back to some of my previous videos, because I've been through all this before, or read up on cup and handles. They're very strong breakout patterns when it comes to the stock market. So on Thursday, this bar here, it was the confirmed breakout there. Why was it confirmed? Well, it broke this line, which is the handles high. This line here is a breakout. But not just that, you can see that volume, there was high volume as price tried to break out. That's what you need to see to confirm a breakout ideally, because that's showing lots of institutional transactions also buying into this stock on Thursday. So that was a confirmed breakout for me, and I personally like to wait. Now often these breakouts just occur and off they go, but on this one it's held, so it broke out, and then on Friday it dropped 6%. So very volatile. So I'm going to talk about a trade idea now, and as I say in every video, if you decide to take action upon the trade idea that I'm about to announce, that is your decision. That's completely your decision. So let me show you what I see. Here's the trade idea. I would like to see price less than $7.50 with a stop loss at $6.80 and a take profit greater than $8.20. So let me draw that on the chart so you understand what I'm talking about. So the entry will be this thick line. So let's assume that we get in, or I get in here. That will be my entry. My stop loss will be the dotted line here, which is $6.80, because it's clear of this previous low here. And the take profit will be a minimum, of $8.20. So that means a 10% risk for a 20% reward. And that's a minimum, because I'm expecting this to break out. So if we're lucky enough to get to $8.20 after this entry point, then that would be a 20% increase. But I would expect it to go higher than that. And then it'd be up to you. Any of this is up to you if you want to follow me. So there's the idea. Now the reason I've drawn this thick line in is because of where the market's been here before. Look, you can see back here, it hit that level, hit it there. Not exactly, but I think you see the point. Hit it here. And again, hit it again recently. So that's why I think the market will try to retest that level, $7.50. And then of course, if the price starts breaking down and just goes lower, that's why that $6.80 stop loss would be there to protect you. Okay, there's the trade idea, guys. I hope it's useful for you. If you like what I'm doing, please smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll do another video very soon. Thank you for watching.